Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of BikeMap. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here, you will search about the application of BikeMap. Here in this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.